Mark, set, go.
Hi, Mimi and Papa. Hi, Mimi and Papa.
Can you guys say your alphabet for them?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Look at Mom. W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, next time wants to sing with me.
Can you say hi, Grandma Rose?
What?
Say hi, Grandma Rose.
Hi, Grandma Rose. Hi, Papa.
Grandma Rose.
A, B,
Can you say hi, Grandma May?
Hi, Grandma May. Hi, Grandma May.
Can you say hi to Peaches?
Hi, Peaches. Hi, Peaches.
Can you blow Peaches kisses? Oh, now she's blowing one back to you. Catch it. All right.
Is she blowing back to me?
Yep, here it comes. Oh, catch it. Say love you.
I love you.